to learn how to do Forex. No, you don't have to learn how to do stocks. We're gonna do all of that for you. We have experienced traders on the team that's gonna help you make money off your money. How would you like to go to sleep and wake up and you just made money? A lot of you only make active income, which means that you have to be active in order to make the income. What we're gonna do is we're gonna trade for you so that you can make money no matter where you are. Right now, I am in Phuket, Thailand, and I'm gonna be here for the next 2 weeks, relaxing, chilling, while my money is still making me money. Check it out. So look, if you're looking for views like this, if you want to relax, if you want to kick your feet up and still be able to make money, comment below and let me help you out. I'm gonna share the information with you, and this is one of those lifetime opportunities that you just don't want to miss out on. Okay, we're not gonna take your money and flip your money and take $100 and turn it into $10,000 in one day. No, that's not what we do. Real percentages, which is 5 to 16%. We focus on low risk but consistency to help you make money from your money. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I will catch y'all on the inside. Comment below if you need more information. Let's go. Cheese.
Yeah, you gone greasy like that.
Somebody say, "Hey, what's your alarm clock?" My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, it's your boy Young Cash. Give a shout out to AcesBlackStar. You already know what it is. CEO, boss man, AC Music. We out here.
Black, stop playing with him.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Check it for AC, and on the shoulder. Black Star, make a real don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC baby, go and do the most. Bring that over here, go and bend it over.